Leave my house, Stembiso. Leave my house. Leave my house. I asked you to wait for the police in the car. And you want to tell me don't give a fuck about my daughter having to witness this? Leave my house, Stembiso. Leave my house, khoza. Leave my house. Leave my house. Nobody comes in and tells me you don't give a shit about my daughter. Leave my house. Leave my house. Go back to further and leave my kids alone. Leave my kids alone. Leave my kids alone. You see my things. Leave my kids alone. Leave my kids alone. Leave my kids alone. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house, please. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. No one will ever utter words in my house to say they don't give a fuck about my daughter. Never. Get out. Get the fuck out.
I don't give a fuck about your daughter.
You did. Told you to respect her. You said you don't. You said you don't care.
To the women who actually physically abuse men out there, I mean, I'm done keeping quiet, so I'm out here talking. I'm saying it. Yeah, I said it. Choice Kate Matebula beat me to cheap. Yo, I got injuries all over my body right now. All over my body right now. I just wish my mama were around. My mom was here right now. Woo! She be dragging that girl. She be saying, "Don't take her, officers. I'll handle her." What happened? Jeez. I got thrown back. I don't know. All I can say is that I almost lost my ear tonight. I almost lost my finger tonight. I have basically 2 broken knees right now. I basically, yeah, from spatula to a tin opener to umbese. Umbese is a knife, by the way, Nick. Now I'm laying in a hospital in England.